Free websites. Free websites. Yes, we build free websites. I'm Jesse Guthrie. I own JLG Marketing Solutions, and we build free websites for any small business. Let's take a look at what we offer. So, why do we build free websites for free? The truth behind the offer. Let's talk about it. So, small businesses are being priced out. You guys are getting charged, $2,000, $5,000 per site just to start. I know a lot of people in this space, they're charging a lot of money to the small business owner that they can't afford. So with JLG Marketing, we're here to help remedy that situation and take a look at what you guys can do to get a free website done by us. We believe every business deserves a professional website with a huge upfront cost. No, that's not what we want to offer. We want to offer you guys a upfront zero cost. That way we can show you the value of what we build. So like it says on screen, so instead of charging thousands up front, we flipped this model. We charge zero design fee. Zero. It's 100% done for you. You just pay a small $97 a month support and hosting fee. And that's it. You get world-class hosting with us. You get any edits that you need. And basically, we take care of the whole website for you from start to finish. So let's take a look at what you get for free. You get a custom website design. You get to choose from 3 template designs that we present to you. These are all great template designs as well. They're not just off-the-shelf templates that stink. These are great ones that are chosen for your business that would help fit your business with modern design. You get, it's mobile optimized, of course. We get all the content written for your business. We go ahead and we use our proprietary systems to generate this content for you. Just provide a little information about your business, and we can generate this for you. You get revisions. So as many revisions as you need, but we limited it to 3. And then we go live in 3 days with your approval. And that's it. Free website, free content. We launch it. Awesome design. Zero upfront cost. You just pay the hosting fee, $97 a month. So, okay, what's the catch? What am I going to end up paying for in the long run? There's no catch. There is no catch for you guys. We're upfront about everything. You host it with us, $97 a month. You can cancel anytime. We do make you sign a 12-month agreement. If you do cancel before that 12 month is over, we charge you a $500 migration fee just to cover our work and the time invested on the upfront. So we're taking all the risk with this. We're getting you a website that's great, upfront, zero cost for $0. Just pay the small fee. So why can we do this? A lot of people ask me, Jesse, why do you do this? This is crazy. You're not charging anything for all this? I know many designers and website companies that charge thousands of dollars to do this. And I get it. They have to cover their overhead, their designers, everything. And we've developed smart systems, fast workflows, and we use AI-driven processes and procedures and content to save time. That means it saves you money. It saves you money, the business owner. And we can still deliver incredible work. There's no question about that. Our websites are awesome. And I'm going to show you here in a minute. But just remember, this isn't just about a website. We're building a relationship with a small business who can grow with us long term. We want to help you guys. We want to grow with you. SEO, ads, branding, we're basically your partner, not just your designer. So we want to showcase our work on the front end, help you get going, and then we can fulfill on some of that other stuff that we just talked about. So I'm going to show you a real-world example of a website that you can get. We're going to use the landscaping niche just for example, and let's add this. So here's a real-world example of a site that you can have in 3 days. So as you can see here, I'll just refresh it real quick just so it goes, right? Home, about us, services, blog, contact, your phone number, great logo, great design. This is awesome. This This design is awesome for a landscaping company. It would probably blow 80% of all your local landscaping companies out of the water with this design. As you can see, movement, very modern, mobile friendly, loads quickly, imagery is great, call to action, form fill, contact information, testimonials is there, blogs system, which could be an add-on, and anything. And look at the footer. It's awesome. This website is great. It fits the niche. It's very professional. It makes your brand stand out, and everything about it can resonate professional for your business. So our creative team right there. So this is something that you guys can have right now. 3 days. 3 days. You guys can have this. So let's get back to this. Are you ready to get started with me or my company? You want your free homepage? We're actually going to do a free homepage mock-up for you for free without signing up or doing anything. I'm going to drop a form link in the description of this video. I want you guys to grab that. And if you grab it, you'll get a free homepage designed by us, curated by us with your brand, your logo, and everything else for free. So click on that link in the description of this video, and we'll get to work on that. Okay? We have nothing to gain, but you have everything too. So don't sleep on this offer. If you're a small business owner or a business owner looking to get a free website design that's professional, very cheap, zero upfront cost, click that link in the bio or click the link in the description of this video so we can get started on that. All right. I'm Jesse. I own JLG Marketing Solutions. I want to help your business with zero upfront cost. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys soon.